Just back from New York, and we're going to have a New York sale this weekend. I decided, you know what, some of you couldn't go to New York. We're going to bring New York to you. So I've got a good selection of just beautiful fabrics. They're all $10 a yard because that's the most common price in New York. So first we're going to start with the little ITY. It's a cotton poly knit. It's beautiful. Black background, white little abstract squares, just really pretty. Great drape, stretching both directions. Then we go to this coordinating red and black ensemble. Maybe a pair of pants out of this, a jacket out of this, or vice versa would be wonderful. They're lightweight. They're red and black, but they're very lightweight. They're cotton polys, and they just have beautiful drape. Both of them do. They're both woven fabrics, and you can see that both sides are usable. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics, especially at $10 a yard. This is a cotton silk, mostly cotton, just a wee bit of silk in it. But what that does is it gives it great drape, solid black. It's a stretch woven. So this, you're talking pants or jacket. Beautiful solid for Max Mara. For the jacket we're doing this week, this would be a beautiful black. Just a lovely fabric. This is a, oops, where'd it go? This is a knit. It has stretch in both directions, like an ITY. You can see the little tiny sunflowers all over there, just adorable. Great match to this, but this is a super fabric, again, stretch in both directions, and it's a cotton poly ITY. Then we have this woven. This is like a denim. There's no stretch. It's a woven. It's perfect for like a pair of jeans or cargo pants. It'd be really nice. We put some good coordinates in here. Love the color. Just everywhere for spring right now. And it's 100% cotton. Just a beautiful piece. And then of course we have some coordinates. This is also 100% cotton. A lightweight woven. No stretch to it at all. Just pretty for a little blouse. And then we have this piece, which is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions, a little yellow and black, and of course all these yellows are perfect combinations with one another, and the black just blends beautifully. So all $10 today. Well, for 3 days we're having a New York sale. We'll have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and all our fabrics on those sales are going to be the same price. Today they're $10. So happy sewing from New York, from Silhouette Patterns.